OpenClaw Plus. Gemma 4 is insane. I just ran a fully local AI agent from my phone. No API key, no cloud, no subscription to some model provider, just me, a Telegram message, and an open source model running on my own machine doing actual work. And the whole thing cost me nothing to run after setup. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, and I promise it's simpler than you think. Hey, I'm Ava. I cover AI tools, workflows, and how to actually get things done with them, and without the hype and without the fluff. Today, we're looking at two things that just came out and work really well together. Gemma 4, Google DeepMind's brand new open source model that dropped on April 2nd, 2026, and OpenClaw, a personal AI agent that lives on your machine and takes real actions for you through WhatsApp, Telegram, or whatever chat app you already use. By the end of this video, you'll know what both tools do, which model size to pick for your hardware, and how to connect them in 3 steps. We're also going to build something, a live SEO calculator in HTML, just by sending a chat message. Let's get into it. So here's the situation most people are in right now. You're paying for AI tools. Maybe Claude, maybe ChatGPT, maybe both. Every time you ask something, that request goes to a server somewhere. Your data leaves your machine, and you're on the hook for API costs every time you build something that actually gets used. That's fine for a lot of use cases, but what if you didn't have to do that? What if you had a capable model sitting on your own hardware, one you could talk to, that could take actions, write code, manage files, send emails, without anything leaving your machine? That's what this combo gives you. And with Gemma 4 just releasing this week, the timing is perfect. Let's start with Gemma 4. Google DeepMind built it from the same research that powers Gemini 3, their flagship commercial model. And they've released it under Apache 2.0, which means no usage caps, no restrictions, full commercial freedom. Previous Gemma releases had a custom license that made a lot of teams nervous. That's gone now. It comes in 4 sizes. E2B and E4B are the smaller ones, designed to run on laptops, phones, and edge devices. Then there's the 26 billion parameter mixture of experts model and the 31 billion parameter dense model. Those run on consumer GPUs and workstations. Every model in the family handles text and images natively. The 2 smaller ones also do audio, speech recognition, and translation, right on device. And context windows are huge. Smaller models support 128,000 tokens. The larger ones go up to 256,000. That's enough to drop in an entire code base in one shot. The thing I want to highlight most, though, is the function calling. It's not prompted. It's trained into the architecture, which means when you use it inside an agent like OpenClaw, it reliably calls tools and follows multi-step instructions, rather than randomly failing like models that bolt this on as an afterthought. Now the numbers, because they're worth knowing. The 31B dense model is currently ranked number 3 among all open models on the LM Arena Text Leaderboard, ELO of around 1452. The 26B mixture of experts model sits at number 6, and it only uses about 4 billion active parameters during inference, which makes it fast. On the GPQA Diamond Scientific Reasoning benchmark, the 31B hits 85.7%. And on Big Bench Extra Hard, it went from 19.3% in Gemma 3 all the way to 74.4% in Gemma 4. 1 generation, massive jump. What I find more useful than leaderboard positions, though, Gemma 4 outperforms models 20 times its size. That matters when you're running locally. You don't need a monster GPU to get genuinely useful results. Okay, now OpenClaw. This one is newer, and a lot of people haven't heard of it yet. OpenClaw, formerly called ClaudeBot, is an open-source personal AI agent that runs on your machine. Not in the cloud, on your machine. And it connects to your existing chat apps, WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, iMessage. You just message it like you'd message a person, and it does things, not answers things, does things. It can clear your inbox, send emails, manage your calendar, browse the web, run shell commands, write files to your computer. And it builds its own new capabilities, called skills, on the fly, just from a conversation. It has persistent memory too, so it knows your context, your preferences, your past conversations. It's not starting from scratch every session. The community is building and sharing skills on a platform called ClawHub. And because OpenClaw supports multiple AI backends, including local models through Ollama, you can swap out what's powering it, which is exactly what we're doing today. Quick pause, because I want to be real with you. When I first started digging into local model setups, it took a long time to figure out what was actually worth building versus what was just cool in theory. A lot of trial and error, a lot of broken configs. That's when I found AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members all working through the same stuff, sharing what actually works, what wastes time, which tools are worth the effort. It's the community I wish I had when I started. If that sounds useful to you, link is in the description. All right, let's connect these two. 3 steps. The bridge between OpenClaw and Gemma 4 is Ollama. Ollama lets you pull and run open source models locally and exposes them through a local API that OpenClaw can talk to. Step 1, get Ollama. Head to ollama.com, download the installer for your OS, and make sure it's fully updated. You need a recent version to support Gemma 4. Step 2, pull Gemma 4. Open your terminal and run Ollama pull Gemma 4. If you want a specific size, you can add that to the command. The download size ranges from a few gigabytes up to over 20 depending on which model you pick. Once it's done, confirm it's working with Ollama run Gemma 4. That drops you into a local chat right in your terminal. If it responds, you're good. Step 3, connect OpenClaw. Install it via the npm one-liner on their site or clone it from GitHub. Then open the config file and point the model endpoint to your local Ollama server. Localhost, port 11434. Set the model name to match what you pulled. Save the config, restart OpenClaw, and that's it. From that point on, every request you send through OpenClaw goes to Gemma 4 running on your machine. Nothing touches an external API. Now let me show you what this actually looks like in practice. We're going to build an SEO calculator in HTML. This is a tool that takes monthly search volume, click-through rate, and conversion rate as inputs, and calculates estimated organic traffic and conversions. Open your Telegram chat with your OpenClaw assistant. Type, build me an SEO calculator in HTML. Inputs, monthly search volume, CTR percentage, and conversion rate. Output, organic traffic estimate and conversions. Keep it clean and simple. OpenClaw takes that, sends it to your local Gemma 4 model, which generates the HTML and JavaScript. OpenClaw writes the file to your machine. You open it in the browser, done. Working interactive calculator, built from a chat message, runs offline. No cloud involved. That's what I mean when I say this combo is useful. It's not just impressive, it's actually practical. A few things worth knowing before you set this up. If you're on a consumer GPU, start with the 26B mixture of experts model. It only activates around 4 billion parameters at a time, so inference is fast. The 31B dense is the highest quality option, but needs more VRAM. Try the MOE first. See how it performs on your hardware, and go from there. Ollama uses quantized versions of models by default, which means smaller file sizes and faster inference with very little quality loss for everyday tasks. You don't need to manually configure this, it just handles it. And use the context window. The larger models support 256,000 tokens. Paste in your whole code base. Drop in a full document. You don't need to chunk and summarize the way you did with smaller context models. Just give it everything and let it work. One more thing. Build skills as you go. OpenClaw can save workflows as reusable skills. Every time you solve a repeatable problem through the assistant, tell it to save that as a skill. It can even write new skills itself when you describe what you need. Over time, the whole thing gets more useful for your specific work. If you want to go deeper on actually implementing AI tools like this in your workflow, check out AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people sharing what's working, what's not, and which tools are actually worth your time. No hype, just people doing the work. Link in the description. And for the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI. If this helped, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.